Hello, my lovely mother. I'm doing this video for you. Why? Because I can't get you to talk to me and give me closure. But leo, mama, sikuji kwako kama mtoto wako. I'm coming to you as a mother. Uliniza, whatever happened between us, happened. But it was supposed to end there. Don't carry your hatred to my generation, Mom. Whatever you undid, whatever you didn't do right, ends with me. The trauma you passed me through as a child, and as an adult as well, is enough. Because tell me why, dear, lovely mother, I see your text telling my husband, if hata kuleta Marekani, take the child custody. That does not sit right with me, and it will never sit right with me, because that is my child, mine, mother. You had your chance with me and you blew it, and you're still blowing it, Mom. Tunasema pole, tunarudi 1,000 steps backwards. I am not your husband. Mimi sikukukosea, mama. Whatever fights you had with Dad, you don't have to take your frustrations out on me. Kazi ya kuniambia ati wewe na hao watu wenu mmenitesa, wewe na hao watu wenu mmenitesa. No, Mom. Hao watu unani associate na wao, the in-laws you hate so bad. Those are the people that have had my back. Those people have loved me. Those people have asked me to love you because you're my mom. And that will not change. But Mom, unajuanga uko na mtoto kweli? Do you know even if you have a child out here? So you made my husband take away my child. Unamsupport, Mom. I called you. I told you I was having issues with my marriage. I called you so many times, even crying, Mom. I told you I want to walk out. But you didn't want that to happen. You encouraged me. You told me to stay. So I was staying so that you can destroy me and take sides with him. Mom, apparently, my mother would rather have a dead daughter. But Mom, let us draw the line. I am your child. You have done whatever you have done with me. You have destroyed me. It's now time we start telling the truth. Those times when you get angry back then because of Daddy, and you will hit my head on the wall and make me sick. Remember that one time ulinigongesha kwenye ukuta, I fainted and I slept? And later on I started having issues with fainting, nikiwa Mount St. Mary's, Mom. All that anger out on me, na unaniambia vile una wish you never gave birth to me. Which is okay. But you had a choice, Mom. Kuna contraceptives. I'm sorry we had to reach to this point, but umenikanyaga. Anelia is my child, Mom. I gave birth to her on August 23rd, 2022. So you have no right to come in and tell me I'm not a good mother. I'm not fit to be a good mother. That my husband should take my child away from me. I just got a chance to get out of the country and work. It was a blessing. Stop holding my life back, Mama Kanisa. And tell me why. When in Mkubwa Mothers Union, everyone adores you out there. But back at home you treat us badly. I understand umeniambia hata huku unataka mtoto msichana. But you still chose to have me. People are both. But you brought me into this world, kunitesa. It's now I remember, as a child I once gave you a knife uniue because I have had enough. My dear loving Mom, Anelia is my child. Stay away from this. I am not talking to my husband, but you have all the information. Akihama akichukua vitu zangu, wewe ndio unajua. You even the one telling me comfortably. You buying clothes for my child. Welama, wewe sija kuomba mama. I'm sorry it's getting to this, but that is my child. Mimi mwenyewe siongei na mtoto. Whatever fights you have with my dad, whatever fights you have with your family, whatever is going on in your life, mother, address it on your own. Stop taking things out on me. I am also just a child. Allow me to love my child the way you could not love me. Allow me to love Bobo and Elia. Because hauta amend mistakes zako na huyo mtoto. The damage is already too done. Mother, I'm sure even if right now I meet you, you're just another woman I used to know, because I will never love you again the way I used to. How sad and unfortunate that I crave a mother's love while my mother is still alive. Fight your battles well. I'm sorry, but Anelia ni mtoto wangu. If you want to make things right, have your child. Please, have your child. It's still early. It hurt me so bad to see those messages. And then you're acting so nonchalant. And then, utenda wapi kanisani, praise the Lord. What Lord do you praise, mother? Because at this point, sijui, nimeshindwa. It's so hard to please you. We can never be good enough. We'll never be enough. Your fight kidogo huko, umenitolea hasira. Dear mother, my dear loving mother, Anelia is my daughter. Anelia is my baby. You will not rectify the mistakes you've done with me by taking away and helping that family take away my child. Give me back my child, Grace. Enough is enough. Kila mtu ananiambia, oh, remember she's your mother. But does my mom know she has a child called Jackie? Do you even know if you have a daughter? Mom, do you know how bad the world has beaten me and you make it worse for me? Mom, do you even know? How do you even sleep at night? Ebu niambie kwa upole tu. Ebu achana na mtoto wangu, because you're not going to amend this. Yani hadi unawatumia shopping kama si yuko. You've become the mom of the house. I'm sorry, I'm even thinking there's something more than son-in-law or mom relationship in this. I'm sorry. And then unaenda unajificha nyuma ya religion na kanisa. And when I don't go to church, you tell me I'm a bad daughter. I'm sorry, Mom. But Anelia is my daughter. Mine, Mom. Bobo ni mtoto wangu. Acha nimpende vile wewe hukutaka kunipenda. At least I will never tell her that I wish ningeza mkate nikule nikusahau. Leave my daughter alone. Leave my daughter out of this, Mom. I've had enough. Na tukawai patana, Mom. And even if we talk, and even if you see this, please don't call me. Let us just be women who knew each other. Please.